So my hope is that everything we do connects back to that. If it starts not connecting back to that, to be honest, like we just spent an hour together and you had some experience. Hopefully it was a decent one. Hopefully you enjoyed yourself. Hopefully you had some good conversations. You took away some nuances, some ahas. And so I'm going to tell you the plan for today, but I'm really okay adjusting that plan a whole heap because I have no interest in talking about what I want to talk about, and I have a lot of interest in talking about what you actually want to talk about and what you want to get into conversations with each other about and ask and riff off together. And talking to a couple of you, some of you have been to trainings like this for many, many, many years, and you hear similar ideas, and so you come in to this with a mindset of like, let me make sure my QR code gets scanned, because at least I'm going to get my credits, right? Does that anybody relate to that at all? No, okay. And so my invite is to, I work with a lot of teachers as well, and teachers, there's like two kinds of PD. There's kinds of PD that like the principal or superintendent thinks will be really useful and important to the teachers, and then they're there and they're like, you were wrong. Then the other kind is like mandated, you have to do this, which like that's a pretty lousy premise to spend your time under. And so what I like to do and what I love to do today is carve out a third category, which is maybe you can actually have a good time today. Maybe you can actually enjoy yourself. And I saw this thing of like when we were starting and I'm introing, your faces looking at me, not particularly happy and excited to be here. Your faces when I asked you to talk with each other, you're all like, and so even if you have the narrative of like, I'd much rather do nothing, like I'm just reflecting that the shape of your face changed a whole bunch when you're talking to your people. And so that is part of how I've designed today is that we're going to do this thing that's instead of a Q&A kind of a thing, we're going to do a Q and AAA. Way cooler than a Q&A. It's like a question and a whole bunch of your answers and then maybe my answer to toss on a perspective. Like so much more intriguing, so much more useful. And an idea like that I just shared with you, you can feel free to ruthlessly steal and reinterpret and be like, ooh, I want to learn how to facilitate meetings with families and have that go better. And so, or I'm doing a school assembly, or I've got an advisory council, and like, if I just have people ask me questions, what if I also had them generate questions and then come up with their own perspectives?